Hello, everyone. Welcome back to A1 English Podcast, the English podcast made for real people, real conversations, and real life.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Jack, and we are so happy you're here with us today. Seriously, whether you're listening on your phone, watching on YouTube, or learning on the go, welcome. You made a great choice today.
You really did. And before we jump in, a little reminder from us. If you're learning English and you want to improve naturally, please like this episode and subscribe to A1 English Podcast.
Because when you subscribe, you don't just support us, you support your English learning journey. And that's what matters most.
Okay, so Jack, tell me, have you ever been in a conversation in English and you wanted to point at something and suddenly your brain just stopped?
Oh, Jessica, yes, all the time. Like, do I say this? Do I say that? Is it these or those? And by the time you figure it out, the moment is gone.
Exactly. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. This, that, these, and those.
4 little words, but honestly, they confuse so many English learners, even intermediate and advanced students.
And today, we are going to fix that confusion forever with one simple trick that you will never forget.
Not complicated grammar rules, not boring textbook explanations, just simple, natural, real English, the way real people actually use it.
So get comfortable, grab your tea or coffee, and let's learn together.
Let's go.
Okay, Jack, let me start with a question. When you first learned English, when someone said this and that, did it make sense immediately?
Honestly, no. Because in many languages, there's just 1 or 2 words for pointing at things. But in English, there are 4. This, that, these, and those. And at first, it's like, why?
Exactly. And that's the reason so many learners mix them up. It's not because they're not smart, it's because no one explained it simply.
Books make it sound very technical. Demonstrative pronouns, proximal and distal demonstratives. Like, what does that even mean?
Right? Nobody talks like that in real life. So today, we're going to forget all those confusing words.
And replace them with one simple idea that will make everything clear.
Here it is. The one thing you need to remember. Are you ready?
Everyone listening, get ready. This is the key.
This, that, these, and those, they all mean one thing. You are pointing at something.
That's it. You are pointing. With your hand, with your eyes, or with your words, you are showing something to someone.
And the only difference between the 4 words is how far is the thing you are pointing at, and is it one thing or more than one thing?
Near or far, one or more than one. That's all you need to remember.
Simple, right?
So simple. Let's break it down even more. All right, let's start with this and these. These 2 words are for things that are close to you, near you, right here.
Think of this and these as your close friends. They're right next to you. You can almost touch them.
Exactly. So this is for one thing that is close to you.
And these is for more than one thing that is close to you.
Let me give you a real example. Imagine you're at a coffee shop with your friend. You pick up your cup of coffee and you say, "This coffee is amazing."
You said this because the coffee is in your hand. It's close. It's right there.
Now imagine there are 2 cups of coffee on the table in front of you. You say, "These coffees are amazing."
These because now it's more than one, and they're still right there in front of you. Close.
See how easy that is?
Let's do another example. You're showing your friend a photo on your phone. You hold the phone up and say, "This is my sister."
The phone is in your hand. The photo is right there. Close. So this.
Now you're showing them 5 photos. You say, "These are my family photos."
More than one, close to you, so these.
So now here's a common mistake people make. They say, "This are my friends." Have you heard that?
Oh yes, all the time. But that's wrong. Remember, this is only for one thing.
If it's more than one, you must use these. These are my friends.
One more common situation. You walk into a new place, maybe a restaurant, maybe someone's house. You look around and say, "Oh, this place is beautiful."
You're inside the place. It's all around you. It's close. So, this. Perfect.
Or imagine you're shopping and you pick up a shirt. You look at your friend and say, "I love this shirt. Should I buy it?"
The shirt is in your hands. It's close. This.
But if you're holding 3 shirts and you love all of them, "I love these shirts. I don't know which one to choose."
More than one. Still close. These.
So let's repeat the simple rule. This, one thing, close. These, more than one thing, close.
Got it? Let's keep going.
Okay, now let's talk about that and those. These 2 words are for things that are far from you, not close, over there.
Think of that and those as your distant friends. They're far away. You have to point to show where they are.
That is for one thing that is far from you.
And those is for more than one thing that is far away.
Let's do some examples. You're walking in a park with your friend. You see a beautiful tree on the other side of the park. You point and say, "Look, that tree is amazing."
The tree is far away. You can see it, but you can't touch it without walking over there. So, that.
Now you see a group of beautiful trees on the other side. Look at those trees.
More than one tree, far away. Those.
Another great example. You're in a restaurant. The waiter brings food to another table across the room. You look at your friend and whisper, "Oh, that looks delicious. I want to order that."
The food is over there at another table, far from you. That.
Or you're at the airport watching planes through the window. You say, "That plane is so big."
The plane is outside, far through the glass. That.
Now there are several planes parked outside. Look at those planes.
Many planes, all far away. Those.
Here's another real situation. You're talking about a movie you watched last week. You say, "That movie was incredible. You have to watch it."
The movie isn't here right now. It's in the past. It's in your memory. It's not close to this moment. So, that.
Oh, that's such a great point, Jessica. That and those can also be used for things that are far in time, like things in the past.
Yes, like, do you remember that summer? Those were the best days of our lives.
That summer, those days, they're in the past, far from now, so we use that and those.
See how these words work in real conversations?
So the rule, that one thing far away, those more than one thing far away.
Near or far, one or more. That's all you need. Okay, Jack, this is the part I love most. The simple trick. The one thing that ties it all together.
Yes, let's make a little chart in your head. Everyone listening, visualize this with me.
Imagine a simple box in your mind. 2 rows, 2 columns.
Column 1 is one thing. Column 2 is more than one thing.
Row 1 is close to you. Row 2 is far from you.
So now fill in the boxes.
Close to you, one thing equals this.
Close to you, more than one equals these.
Far from you, one thing equals that.
Far from you, more than one equals those.
This, these, that, those.
And here's the memory trick. Listen carefully. This and these both have the letter S in common. S for same spot. They're right here, in the same spot as you.
Oh, I love that. This, S. These, S. Same spot. Close to you.
And that and those, no S at the start. They're away from you. Think, that's over there. Both words start with TH and have the A sound. That, there. Over there, away from you.
2 tricks in 1. This and these, same spot. Close. That and those, over there, far.
Now everyone listening, say it with us out loud. Don't be shy.
This, one thing, close.
These, more than one, close.
That, one thing, far.
Those, more than one, far.
Beautiful. Say it one more time if you need to. Repetition builds memory.
All right, Jessica, let's talk about the mistakes because this is where it gets really helpful.
Yes, mistakes are our best teachers. Let's look at the most common ones.
Mistake number 1, mixing up this and these. For example, someone says, "This are my books." Have you heard that?
Yes, so many times. And it feels wrong, right? Because this is singular. It goes with one thing. If you have many books right in front of you, you say, "These are my books."
Always remember, if it's more than one and it's close, use these, not this.
Mistake number 2, and this one is very common. People use that for things that are close to them, like they're holding their phone and they say, "That is my phone."
But the phone is right in their hand. It's close. So the correct sentence is, "This is my phone."
Remember, that is for things far away. If it's in your hand, in front of you, close to you, use this or these.
Mistake number 3, using those when you should use that. For example, someone points at one building across the street and says, "Look at those build."
2 mistakes there, actually. First, those is for more than one, but there's only one building. Second, if it's one building, it should be that building. Look at that building.
And one bonus mistake, forgetting to match the verb. In English, this and that go with singular verbs. These and those go with plural verbs.
So this is nice. That is nice. But these are nice. Those are nice.
Not these is nice, not those was nice.
And you know what? If you make these mistakes, don't panic. Don't stop speaking.
Native speakers understand you even if you make a small mistake. The goal is communication, and every mistake you make and correct makes you stronger.
Silence is never the answer. Keep talking, keep learning. Okay, now let's make this super practical. Let's practice using this in real situations. Jack, I'm going to describe a situation, and I want you and everyone listening to answer.
Oh, I love this. Let's do it.
Okay, situation number 1. You're at a bakery. The baker puts a fresh chocolate cake on the counter right in front of you. You want to tell your friend how good it looks. What do you say?
The cake is right in front of me. It's close. It's one cake. So I say, "This cake looks delicious."
Perfect. 100% correct. Now, situation number 2. You're at the same bakery. You look through the glass at all the cupcakes on the shelf across the room. You want to buy some. What do you say?
The cupcakes are across the room, far from me, and there are many of them. So I say, "Can I have those cupcakes, please?"
Beautiful. Now, everyone listening, your turn. Situation number 3. You're walking down the street. You see one beautiful old building far down the road. You want to show your friend. What do you say?
Everyone, pause for a second. Think about it. Far away, one building. What's the word?
The answer is, look at that building. It's beautiful.
Did you get it right? If yes, amazing. You're getting it.
If not, no problem at all. That's why we practice together.
One more. Situation number 4. You're on a video call with your mom. You pick up your new shoes and hold them up to the camera. You want her to see them. What do you say?
Everyone think, shoes, more than one thing, 2 shoes, close to you, in your hands. What's the word?
Look, Mom, these are my new shoes. Do you like them?
These, more than one, close to you. Perfect.
You're doing great, everyone. Seriously, I can feel the learning happening.
Now, here's your homework. Today, just today, try to notice when people use this, that, these, and those in movies, in songs, in conversations. You'll start to hear it everywhere.
And every time you hear it, ask yourself, is it close or far? One or more? Train your ear, train your brain.
That's how you make it automatic. That's how you stop thinking about grammar and start just speaking.
All right, everyone, let's bring it all together. Let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
First, this is for one thing that is close to you. This coffee is hot.
Second, these is for more than one thing that is close to you. These shoes are comfortable.
Third, that is for one thing that is far from you. That mountain is beautiful.
Fourth, those is for more than one thing that is far from you. Those stars are incredible.
And the simple trick to remember? This and these, same spot, close. That and those, over there, far.
Near or far, one or more. That's all you need.
And please remember this, you don't need to be perfect. English is not a test. English is a tool for connection, for making friends, for sharing ideas, for living your life.
So speak, make mistakes, correct them, speak again. That's the process. That's the journey.
And every single day you practice, you get a little better than yesterday.
And we are so proud of every one of you for being here today. Seriously, the fact that you're choosing to learn, that already makes you extraordinary.
If this episode helped you understand this, that, these, and those better, please hit that like button. It really helps us reach more English learners around the world.
And if you want more real English conversations, simple lessons, and practical tips, subscribe to A1 English Podcast. We upload new episodes every single day just for you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We love making these episodes, and we love knowing that somewhere out there, you are growing.
Keep practicing, keep going, keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. We'll miss you until then.